Hey Sawyer, what do you think? One more store? He's doing so great getting used to this. He's just sleeping. And of course I had to get one of those carts that has an off wheel, but he's doing great. Actually laid down and fell asleep for the first time. And we're in our favorite aisle, which is the dog bed aisle. They just have the cutest ones all the time in Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Are you being so good? Yeah, you are. Let's go. Hi, sweetheart. You know, I've always seen these dog wipes and I never felt a need for them because my other dogs, their paws just don't get that dirty. But him, when he goes outside, well, especially the other day when he pooped in the yard and stepped in it, these would have come in handy. So I think I'm gonna get one of these. I'll see just which one has the best ingredients, the least, you know, kind of chemicals or not so great ingredients. Okay, so what do you think about this? Little toy. And something for the car ride home. Yeah. Let's go. Hey Sawyer, what do you think? One more store? We'll go in Petco and get you a name tag. Okay, what do you think about this?
Good? Yeah, good. Thank you.
Oh, and by the way, I know that we never showed the name tag in the video I just figured out when I was editing. So here it is. Ooh, very nice. So I thought I would end this by showing you guys how it is that I'm editing this video. This is how, because as soon as I start doing anything on the computer, he has to come and sit on my lap. Who is that little reflection there? Yes, every time I sit down to edit a video, this little one has to climb into my lap and decide to take a nap. So here he is, getting some fur on my keyboard and certainly on me. Yes, he is not one of the non-shedding Cavapoo puppies, as you guys can see. He's definitely so much more cavalier. But yes, this is how I edit most times. Good, get comfortable. Generally have to keep my arm out in a position like this so that he can be comfy. And I can't use my mouse with my right hand, so I've got it over here. I'm gonna have to just use this pad as my mouse pad, but I guess as long as he's comfy, it's okay. Oh, I just realized this is why it takes me a lot longer to edit a video than it should. Guys, thank you so much for coming along with us, for watching. Please like the video, subscribe if you aren't already, and we will see you guys all next time. Bye. Bye.